How to set up Todoist. Want to organize tasks like a pro? Here's how to set up Todoist step by step. So first, create a free Todoist account. Sign up with email, Google, or Apple to start. And then set up projects. So you can go ahead and add projects by clicking on this plus button at the right side of My Projects. So you can go ahead and create a project from scratch or browse templates. So here are some templates selection you have. So each templates represent different types of setups. So you can go ahead and select what applies for you and then click on use in My Projects, and that would be added on your My Project section. So from here, you can set the display to board view. So you can easily view your projects from here. And then you can go ahead and add tasks into this section. Inside each project, create tasks like submit report or buy groceries. And then go ahead and add due dates into the section and priority levels to stay on track. Now organize tasks with sections and labels. Break projects into sections like urgent or later and tag tasks with labels such as email or errands. Use filters and view. The free plan includes today and upcoming filters to help you focus on what matters now. Check off tasks as you finish them. Todoist automatically archives completed tasks so you can track progress. Use priority flags instead of reminders. Keep projects simple and review your today view each morning to build the habit.